Welcome everyone. Here the question: if sin theta by x is equal to cos theta by y, then find the value of sin theta minus cos theta, where 0 less is equal to theta less is equal to pi by 2. Here consider the given equation. What is the given equation? Sin theta by x is equal to cos theta by y. Let that is equal to k. So consider sin theta by x is equal to k, or sin theta is equal to kx. Similarly consider cos theta by y is equal to k, or cos theta is equal to ky. Now we have to find out sin theta minus cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta, that is equal to sin theta is equal to kx minus ky. Now taking out common k into x minus y. So for getting the value of sin theta minus cos theta, we have to find out the value of k, and we will find out the value of k from the equation sin theta is equal to kx and cos theta is equal to ky. We know one formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We will use this formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. This is now sin square theta, that means from this kx whole square plus cos theta is equal to ky whole square is equal to 1, as sin theta is equal to kx and cos theta is equal to ky. So k square x square, k square y square, k square taken out common, x square plus y square, that is equal to 1, or k square is equal to 1 by x square plus y square. So k is equal to 1 by plus minus root over x square plus y square. As theta lying between 0 less is equal to theta less is equal to pi by 2, so sin theta or cos theta positive, hence k should be positive or considering the positive value. So k is equal to 1 by x square plus y square. What is taking the positive value? Positive. Now so sin theta minus cos theta, here sin theta minus cos theta, that is equal to k into x minus y, or theta minus cos theta, that is equal to x minus y, k is equal to 1 by x square plus y square. Hence we have got the value of sin theta minus cos theta. This is the answer. Thank you.